guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is LookFantastic. LookFantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box. This is sent to me in PR very kindly from LookFantastic, which I'm very grateful for. They've also given me a discount code which I'll put here for you guys if you would like to try a box for yourself, and I'll link it all down below for you as well. All opinions are honest and my own because nobody likes a bullshitter, and there is merch coming with that very phrase on coming soon. But yeah, let's jump in and have a look. So this month we have got a beautiful royal blue box, very pretty. The quote this month is "In the darkness, be the light." Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. In the darkness, be the light. And then the silica gel there. It looks like this. And we have our little edit. Oh no, it's online now, isn't it? I forgot. It's all online. Let me get a QR code scanner. Let me get a scanner.
2 very boring minutes later.
Editor's note. As I sat down to write this editor's note, I couldn't help but think of how far we've come over the last 12 months. This is the first magazine I've written from the office. As with the gradual easing of lockdowns and such, the world is returning to some sort of resemblance of normality. Cue the build up to the festive period. Whether it's full face of makeup or simply sticking to your skincare routine, there's a whole plethora of ways that we can make ourselves feel good in the build up to the festive season. I think we can all start by taking some time for ourselves and focus not so much on how far we've come, but the amazing experiences and unpredictability that has got us here. Reflection is important, and it allows us to sometimes let go and have a little fun. Fun is the silent theme in this month's box. All of the lights. There's so much buzz in the BB team for the upcoming boxes and launches. We hope that you feel our complete excitement and positive energy throughout this box. I hope you love this month's box as much as I do. That's very nice. So I'm just going to rip it open and start looking. So it looks like this. And the first thing I've got is a Mini Macaron Moisturizing Foot Mask. I fucking love a foot mask. You get 2 little socks in it. They are so weird. If you haven't done a foot mask, I highly recommend them. It's really weird and squishy on your feet. It's kind of like my squishy boots. That's what it makes me think of whenever I wear them. But I love them. They're so nice. This says... a little self-indulgent treat for your feet, fused with lavender oil and witch hazel leaf extract. Insert clean feet into the foot mask, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the serum to deeply nourish and cleanse your skin. Remove and massage the remaining essence into your skin. That's lovely. They don't put the prices on here anymore, so I will put the prices on the screen if I can find them. Next up, I've got a really grubby looking molten and brown. Can you see the dust on there? Like, why is that so grubby? Really pretty purple bottle. Relaxing Ylang bath and shower gel. That's better. Refresh your wash routine with this luxurious Ylang and sweet vanilla scented body wash from Molten Brown, honeysuckle flower extract and jasmine. Lather all over your skin for an exhilarating experience with intoxicating floral notes. Let's have a look. Oh, it smells lovely. That smells really nice. I'm excited to use that. That smells incredible. I don't particularly like baths, but at the moment, because I've been feeling so rubbish, I've been having a lot of baths. So I think you get one of those. You either get that one or you get NCLA, a blended with vitamin E extract infused with deliciously sweet birthday cake cuticle oil, or you'll get a Grow Gorgeous hair serum with oat lipids. So they're the 3 options for that one. And then everyone gets the foot mask. Then you get a Balance Me BHA exfoliating concentrate, powered by salicylic acid, willow bark and tiger's grass. This clever no rinse concentrate removes dead skin, fights blackheads, reduces blemishes and targets enlarged pores. Reveals more radiant skin underneath and allows your skincare to work a little bit harder. Apply several pumps to a beauty pad to a clean skin. Gently wipe over face, avoiding the delicate eye area. So that's just a little serum-y stuff. Smells good. I'll definitely give that a go. It's vegan and they never test the animals, which is nice. And then Pray, I think it's pronounced Pray, P-R-A-I, Pray. Pretty purple packaging, teeny tiny pot. This is designed to target anti-aging. This formula is enriched with a blend of mulberry and grapeseed extracts. The mixture helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Shea butter and grapeseed oil. Lather on the cream in a gentle upward motion from cleavage to chin. Oh, it's just for your throat and décolletage. AM and PM. I think you could lather it on because there's not a lot in here. Can't get it out. Put a little wobbly bit. Oh. Let's give it a little rub. It doesn't really smell very much. Upward stroked. Oh, look at all my chins coming up. It feels nice. I would never even think, I normally just put my face moisturiser all over my neck. It wouldn't even occur to me to get a specific moisturiser just for this area. But I've got one now, so I'll give it a go. And then lastly, oh no, there's two things in here. Oh my god. What are you? The tiniest eyebrow pencil I've genuinely ever seen in my life. Diego Della Palma. Enhance your arches with this tool's extra fine tip that gives you both precision and natural coverage when filling, defining and shaping. This creamy formula boasts an incredible blendable finish. Draw on with regular strokes to redefine and restyle your brows. Literally the tiniest eyebrow pencil ever. It looks like it'll be a good colour match for me. And it looks like you can make it either lighter or, yeah, depends on how hard you press. You can get lots of different shades. Brown, that's nice. I'll give it a go. I'd be interested to see how much the little teeny tiny one is worth. And then the last thing in here is Comfort Zone Reunite Cream, Nourishing Vitamin Cream. Very simple packaging. Reminds me of like when you get a, oh my god, it literally looks like it's the paint sample for my wall. That's what I was going to say. When you buy like a little paint swatch, that could genuinely, look, it's gone. It's gone. It's the same colour as my wall. That's hilarious. Working to soothe and hydrate your complexion while you sleep. This cream replenishes your skin's moisture, leaving it feeling more refreshed and plump. Goji berry oil and hydrolyzed tomato extract. Apply in the evening after face cleansing on the face, neck and neckline and massage until complete absorption. That's hilarious that it's the same colour. Nicely sealed, which we appreciate. See what it's like. It's just a cream. I'll give it a little. It smells expensive. Does not smell like paint, which is good. I can't get over how that is literally the exact colour of my wall. That's tickled me. Let me know what you think. I really like that. There's nothing in there that I won't use. Probably most excited to use these. I am gonna put these on in a minute and edit this video, and I will let you guys know what we think. It's got lavender in it, which is one of my favourite smells. So yeah, I'll leave all the links down below for you guys, and I have a giveaway of a couple of giveaways running at the moment. I'll link them both here for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.